Today I'll show you how to make donuts. If you like donuts, you have to try them freshly made. They are so tender that they will melt in your mouth. In a bowl, add the flour, sugar, salt, and nutmeg. Mix. In a microwave-safe bowl, add the butter and melt it. Add the egg, the milk, the instant yeast, and mix. Pour this into the initial mixture and mix with a spatula. The dough is quite sticky. Although it's tempting, do not add flour. This sticky texture will give us tender donuts. On a surface, add a pinch of oil and pour the dough. Knead. If you have a KitchenAid, you can use it on medium speed for 5 minutes. Otherwise, knead the dough by hand for about 15 minutes until the dough is elastic and smooth. Put the dough in a bowl and cover it with cling film. Leave it to rest for an hour and a half or until it has doubled its size. After this time, flour the surface. Pour the dough. Flour the top a little bit to prevent it from sticking and begin to roll it out until it's half an inch thick. Cut the donuts. You can use a donut cutter or, like me, 2 cookie cutters, one about 3 inches and the other one about an inch. Transfer the donuts to a baking paper to prevent it from sticking and repeat with the remaining dough. When there is not enough dough left to make more donuts, do not throw it away. You can make donut holes. Now it's time to let them rest 30 more minutes. In a frying pan, add the oil and heat it to 160 degrees Celsius. Controlling the temperature, add the donuts and fry them until they are golden brown. Remove. Prepare the glaze. In a bowl, add the icing sugar, the butter, the milk, and the vanilla extract. Mix it together. Add the donuts one at a time. Coat them well, transfer them to a rack, and let them rest until the glaze sets. But let's be honest, no one will judge you if you give in to them before that. Look how soft and tender they are. If you like this recipe, don't miss those two.